Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy, light and moist parsnip bread. It is a bread that is full of parsnips. It's lovely and healthy and it's gluten-free too. There's coconut flour in it, as you'll see. It's just a lovely bread that I've been making the last couple of years actually for my kids. They love it, and so I'm sharing the recipe with you today. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it, and check down below for the link to the blog post which will have the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, as well as ideas for toppings and some variations as well. So click through for that. So let me show you how to make it. Start by melting 100 grams, which is 3.5 ounces of butter. I like to do that on the stove top, but you could do it in the microwave instead if you want. The last of the butter is just melting, and once it's fully melted we'll just pour it out into a bowl. So the butter has fully melted now. We'll just pour it into a bowl. Now we'll just add all the ingredients in one at a time, starting with 1/3 cup of sugar. Then we'll just whisk it in. And just keep your 1/3 cup handy because we're going to add really 1/3 cup of most of the other ingredients as we go. And now I'm going to add in 3 eggs. And we'll give those a whisk through. Now we're going to add the other ingredients 1/3 cup at a time, starting with 1/3 cup of coconut flour. 1/3 cup of any milk you like, and 1/3 cup of yogurt. I'm using plain Greek yogurt, natural Greek yogurt. This just adds such a beautiful moisture and just some lovely healthy ingredients into the parsnip bread. So now we'll whisk all that together. There we go, we've got our cake batter mostly made. Now all we need to do is seat our parsnips. So I'm just going to set this aside for now. We've got our parsnips here. It's up to you how many you want to use. I kind of use 2 to 3, just depends once I've peeled and grated them how much there is, and I mix it through my parsnip batter and kind of see how I go. But yeah, we're going to peel, chop off the ends and grate the parsnips and then get them mixed through the batter. So I've chopped the ends off the parsnip. I'm going for these 3 for my bread. I have chopped the ends off and peeled them, and now one by one I'm just going to use my box grater and grate them. I like using the smaller, those are the larger holes. I like using the smaller holes on my grater and really just setting about grating all of my parsnips until I have a plate full of grated parsnips. Just like that, a lovely huge plate full of grated parsnip, and now we'll just move it into our batter. So I've got my cake batter back over here, and we'll just add on all of the grated parsnip and just fold it through till it's completely incorporated. That's perfect, and now we'll move it into our loaf tin. So I've got a loaf tin that I've got lined with well-greased baking paper, and we'll just pour in the batter. And then just pop it into the oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for 40 to 45 minutes, and I will show you once it's done. The parsnip bread is out of the oven. You can see it looks lovely and golden. It smells pretty good too. Now just allow it to cool completely in the tin before you slice into it. The parsnip bread has cooled completely. I've taken it out of the tin. You can see it's lovely and golden, and now I will show you inside. And you can see inside is a lovely and light and moist, and I really enjoy it with a bit of my homemade chia jam on top. You might just enjoy it with a little bit of butter or cream cheese as well, would also be really nice, but I'll leave all those ideas in the blog post down below, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely gluten-free parsnip bread or loaf a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.